I managed to escape from the computer. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you could have solved some of these clues. So if you didn't manage to break out, now's your chance to find out how you can do it. So you've got 5 different puzzles here that you need to solve. So let's click on the first one. A, B, C. Okay, so let's have a look at this. What you need to do is you need to make sure you open this up so you can see it in a bigger window. So that's much easier. So let's click on that. And here is my open window. So what we've got here, these are called binary codes. Right? That's how a computer works. They work with binary codes. So everything on a computer works in binary. It's either a 0 or a 1. Now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different numbers here. Now, if you look, what you need to do is try to find and match the numbers to this piece, this sheet here. So, 0, 1, 3 zeros, 1, 0, 1. So, what we're looking at is this one here, 0, 1, 3 zeros, 1, 0. So, the first letter is a E. Then we're going to go to this number here. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. And then 0, 0, 1, O. Okay, that's an R. And you can see there, but that is happening twice. So there's 2 R's. So it's E, R, R. Now, if you're smart, you may be able to figure it out from that point. But let's find out what the next letter is. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 1s. So there's 4 1s at the end here. Oh, this is an O. So E, R, R, O. And then finally 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. That is the same as these two, isn't it? So that's another R. So we've got E, R, R, O, R, which is spelling error. So we can close this down now, and that's the code for our first one. E, R, R, 0, R. And then we can submit. And did we get it? And submit it. Yes, we did it. So that's our first code. Let's go over to the second one now and see what that is. Okay, so select the directions that will open the lock. So again, we've got to open this up. We need to figure out what these different insects, what direction each insect is. So let's start. So we're going to move forwards and turn right. So that's this way. Then we're going to move forward and then we're going to turn. So we're going to turn upside down. We need to turn right. Remember, we're facing the opposite way. So we need to turn right. So the first one is going to be right. Okay, let's look at the next one. And then we're going to move forwards and turn. Now we're facing this way. So we need to turn left. So the next one is going to be left. Let's look at the next one. Then we're going to, this is that bug. Then we're going to move forwards and turn left again. All right, so let's do left again. And then we're going to move forwards and turn right. So let's do a right. And then finally, we're going to move forwards and we're going to turn. Remember, we're facing this way. Right again. And then we can submit. And then we've opened up our second padlock. So well done if you got that far. Now let's move on to 1, 2, 3. This is a number lock. So we've got to get the right combination to complete the number lock. So we need 5 numbers. So let's close this one down and open this up in a new window. So what we need to do, we look at the first one. If it's even, we need to add 1. Well, it's not even, so we need to go to the next else. So else, if it's a green bug, then we add 3. Well, it is green bug, so we need to add 3 to 3, which is 6. So our first number is 6. So let's go back to here. and then we're going to add a 6. Let's go back here. Now we're going to say if it's even, well, it's not even because there's 7 bugs in there. So we don't have to add 1. Else, if it's a green bug, we add 3. Well, it's not a green bug, so we must minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. The next one, if it's even, 1, 2, 3, 4, which it is, we add 1. So the next one is 5. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is even, so we need to add a 1. Okay, so that's 9. And then the last one is if it's even, which it's not. If it's a green bug, which it's not. So otherwise we minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So our number is 6, 4, 5, 9, 0. And then we can submit. Okay. Now we move on to our shapes one. So let's look at the shapes one. Here we go. Open in, let's close the window here and open this in a new window. So our first number is here because this is our ladybird with 1 spot. So this is our first number. So we need to go left, up, right, right. So the first one is a star. So let's choose star for the first one. Let's go back to the next one. So number 2, which is this one here. We're going to go right and then down. So the next shape is a black circle. So let's choose a black circle, the circle there. Now, number 3, which is this one here. So we're going to go up and then left and then down. So the triangle is the next shape. So let's put that one in. And then the next one, which is 4, which is this one here. And that's just going right. So we need a triangle again. So let's put triangle in. And then finally, the 5th one is down and then left, up, up. So we want a circle to finish with. So let's put that and let's see if that works. Submit. And there we go. Our 4th one is done. So let's look at this final one here, which is the colors. Right. Let's open this. Let's close this one down and open this in a new window. And let's have a look and see what we need to do here. So the first color, we need to move forward 1. So the first color is going to be red. So let's go to our red and put the red one in. There we go. The next one, we need to turn right. So this is yellow. So let's go to yellow. We're going to choose yellow. Then what we need to do, we need to go forward 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can use blue. The blue is the next one. So let's choose blue. And then let's look at what we need to do next. So once we're here, we then need to turn left. Okay, so we need a green one. So let's put the green one in. And then finally, we need to go 1, 2 to get to the flowers. So this is forward 2, which is the purple. So let's choose purple. And that should be our final combination. So we could submit. And there we have. We have cracked the code and broken out. And Mr. Path is now free. So congratulations, boys, if you managed to do that. If you didn't and you want to have another go, then please go ahead and try. That's up to you.